because this is really, truly something unbelievable here. First off, all right, here's the video. I'm going to step out of the way. Look at this. Look how hard it's snowing here. This is in Fort White, just to the southwest of Lake City here. Again, this was about an hour ago. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but it is certainly coming down. Again, we had a pretty good little snow band move through there. Again, no accumulation, but certainly pretty impressive here, even for Florida standards. So that is just unbelievable. I sent that to everybody, so hopefully we'll get some recognition out of that. That was a pretty great video. Also getting a lot of pictures coming in this morning. Give me just a second here. This one sees some snowflakes on her jacket. Again, you could see they're sticking to her coat. So we're seeing this basically all over the area. Looks like maybe one little ice pellet right there, and then a little bit on the ground here, even some white specks there in the dirt. So snowflakes coming in all over the area this morning. Continue to send us your videos, more importantly, this morning, because it is kind of a novel thing taking place this morning. Temperatures very cold across the area, and the atmosphere certainly cold enough to support it. All right, freeze warnings in effect here. Everywhere you see in blue, this does include the immediate coast, it looks like. So for temperatures in the mid to upper 20s later on tonight. Some more snow flurries here in southern Putnam County. This is going to be southern Clay County to the north of Keystone Heights. These snow flurries are pushing on off. Well, the trackers that I keep putting on here, the snowflakes keep disappearing and reappearing, but they are out there this morning, so be careful. 38 degrees in Jacksonville, 41 degrees in Fernandina Beach, 40 degrees in Jacks Beach. It is a windy morning out there. Temperatures are cold 30s, and then we're talking about the wind chill driving down those temperatures into the 20s, so it's going to be a cold afternoon. Cold, cold, and cold. We do have that chance of snow flurries this morning, and certainly, as you saw from the video, unbelievable coming in out of the Lake City area this morning. 38 here in Jacksonville, Waycross, 35 in Valdosta, 36 degrees in Lake City. The departures, incredible. 25, 23, 21 degrees colder than just 24 hours ago here across the area. That's combined with the wind, 16, 20 miles an hour up in Brunswick, 20 miles an hour in St. Augustine, giving us a feels-like temperature now in Jacksonville of 29 degrees, 29 in Waycross, 26 in Lake City, 27 degrees is what it feels like this morning in Gainesville. And these winds are going to continue to howl across the area for the rest of the afternoon, 16, 18, 21 miles an hour heading into the 3 o'clock hour across our region. And then into the overnight hours, the winds will calm down a little bit, and that's important because we want to get that radiational cooling to set in. If you want cold weather, that is. The skies are going to clear out, the winds are going to calm, allowing for optimal radiational cooling. That's going to drop our temperatures down into the 20s, and there is plenty of cold air sliding on in our direction. 17 degrees is the current temperature in Nashville, and that cold air is going to continue to spill into our region. Here's how it breaks down hour by hour for you today. 41 degrees in Middleburg, 43 heading into the noon hour, at least according to this particular model. 46 degrees by 3 o'clock is what this model is showing for a high temperature for today. And then those temperatures as the skies clear are really going to drop once the sun goes down. We're talking temperatures going to drop 5 degrees per hour. At least it could once the sun goes down. So temperature is going to crater pretty hard tonight. And then showing 32 degrees by 7 o'clock. I'm really thinking more upper 20s is what we're looking for heading into the overnight hours. Overnight lows tonight, 26, 28, 28 degrees in Brunswick, 26 degrees in Lake City, 34 degrees in St. Augustine, a little closer to home, 28 up on the north side, 29 in Arlington, south side, 30 degrees NAS Jacks, even 25 degrees out towards Cecil Commerce. Your forecast for today, how about a high of only 44 degrees under those cloudy skies, turning sunny late this afternoon, 41 at 11, 43 at 3, 44 degrees at 6 o'clock in the full boat here. Again, another chilly afternoon on Sunday, even under sunny skies, 60 degrees for your Monday, waking up to back-to-back freezes, 28 and 30 before a slight warm-up, all the way up to 70 degrees by Tuesday, folks. Welcome to Florida in January, where we go from snow on one day to as much as well, you know, not quite beach weather on Tuesday, but, you know, 70 degrees, that's pretty good stuff, especially considering the blizzard that is taking place across the mid-Atlantic states at this time. Ashley?
Please.